Heading into the week of January 22nd, we want to watch closely the yield curve. This past week, the 2s10s yield curve reached its highest level. Didn't close there, but it reached its highest level at -15 since last October. And the 10-year yield hit its highest closing level since early December, right around 418. So yields are moving aggressively. Has not hurt the stock market yet, as we're still looking at new highs last week for the NASDAQ and the S&P approaching new highs again. So still strength in the equity markets, but keep an eye on that yield curve. We also have a big central bank week next week. Rate decision meetings for the Bank of Japan, the Bank of Canada, and the ECB. The Bank of Japan and the ECB are probably the most important for overall markets because they're the most in question. Bank of Canada is fully expected to leave rates unchanged, but still watch all three of them for any direction on interest rates globally. And then next week, big tech earnings begin. Some of the most important tech companies are reporting earnings, including Tesla, Netflix, Intel, Texas Instruments, IBM, Seagate Technology, Logitech, and ASML Holding, among others. And it's certainly not just a tech earnings week. We have 175 companies in total reporting with market caps over $1 billion. Others include Visa, American Express, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Colgate, Palmolive, Comcast, Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, Intuitive Surgical, Elevance Health, Abbott Labs, Lockheed Martin, General Dynamics, Northrop Grumman, Freeport-McMoRan, Norfolk Southern, and the list goes on and on. Now, in terms of data, Monday, the Conference Board's leading index in the US and the Bank of Japan rate decision. Tuesday, confidence data in the EU. Wednesday, small to medium-sized business PMIs in Germany, the EU, the UK, and the US, and that Bank of Canada rate decision. Thursday, German IFO business climate and the ECB rate decision. Also, Q4 advanced GDP in the US, along with durable goods. Friday, GFK German consumer confidence, and in the US personal income and spending, and PCE price data. We'll be looking at that PCE price data to see if it is higher than expected, as CPI was, which next week will be almost 2 weeks prior.